Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair, and today's video let me show you a 5x5 closure wig with silky straight hair. First look at the luster of the hair. The natural luster of the hair is very shining but very naturally luster. Beautiful. The more you use it, it becomes more shiny. And the silky straight. See how silky and how silky soft is the hair. You can comb it pretty nice and still very cool, straight, silky. And see the movement of the hair. And the thickness of the 24 inches wig. And let me show you the inside and the closure part. This is a HD-less closure wig, and it is made of the HD-less, very much undetectable and melt with any type of skin color. And inside is the inside structure. This is actually a small cap size. According to the requirement of clients, we make it a small cap size. You can also do a large, and by default it's actually a medium cap size, but we can do large or small according to your requirement. And this is 5x5 lace closure, and with band and belt you can adjust to securely install, and with all the combs, very easy for installing. And see the hair again. Looks on the mannequin. But we can also do 13x4 lace frontal wig and 4x4 lace closure wig, and we can also do all the textures, even all the colors. So if you like this type of hair wig and you're looking for a good quality wigs, feel free to contact us or place your order on www.joicehair.com. Thank you for watching today's video and have a great day.